Today we drove up to the Connecticut Supreme Court to talk to a Supreme Court justice. It was a really cool experience. The first thing we sort of did was just sort of hear about the building itself and kind of hear about the architecture. It's like really historical, established in the early 1900s and has like a European style, so that was all super interesting. But the real interesting part was actually talking to the justice himself, and he was kind of telling us about his day-to-day experiences, just different things he's gone to being a justice at the Connecticut Supreme Court, which is obviously super interesting.
So what I learned when I was visiting the Connecticut Supreme Court today was there's no substitute for preparation. The justice that we spoke to talked a lot about how lawyers can come into the room unprepared and that can really harm their client. And he also talked about being polite and professional in the courtroom and how important that is to having a successful and honorable career. And I think that was really eye-opening for me as a person and as a potential future lawyer, that my honor is one of the most important things to me, so I learned that. And so I think overall I learned a lot about where I want my future to go and how my character will affect my future career.